Friends, today I am discussing the important thing of discipline helps more than just motivated. When we do something better or do something fabulous for good for our life, two things is required. Number one, motivation, and number two is discipline. A self-discipline is different than the self-motivations. Motivation is needed to do work, but sometimes motivation not works when fear and the doubt comes in front of us. Then only works that is discipline, because discipline make us action oriented. Sometimes when fears and other things comes, that's the only thing is make ourselves continue to work. That is a discipline. Discipline is the one of the best way to remain productive. Sometimes it's hard, but it the best way to become a productive manner. Action is the most inspiration of the motivations. How to do actions? That is discipline. To motivate ourselves, action is needed. And without discipline, this action cannot be happening. So discipline is more important than the motivations. In a certain level of time, motivation not works. Then only works that is discipline and the repetitive work. After that, motivation support us. Motivation needs some results. Sometimes the result is not come as per our thinking, as per the way we think, as per the situations. That time our mind become discouraged. So mind try to go back. That time also discipline is the way to work faster in a dimension to give you forward. To motivate yourself to the inaction or disciplined actions, I give some point to you. Break your goals in a slice manner, smaller piece. So your planning works properly. Identify and know your limit of work. The small target. When you are do in a disciplined manner, work away from the all distractions. It's need. Otherwise you not go in a proper way. If you need help from others, ask for help. That is important. Find out some things that encourage you. And someone encourage you. Those who are help you or encourage you to go someone or some particular point. That time may need some mentors. Do it. Identify them. Talk to them. Make a tight schedule. Make a tight time schedules that make you good work planning, and hourly basis make a schedule for target and do as per the schedule, and every day make a conclusions that I am doing this work for that particular day, and make a to-do list for the next day. So discipline is much more important than the motivations. Do it. Motivate yourself, but action with the disciplined manner. That make you help. Thank you. And give your comments, please. So I am also motivate myself, but I am doing my work in a disciplined manner. Thank you.